Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with MailerLite for landing page UI improvements. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to MailerLite's website. Locate the sign up button on the home page and click on it. Fill in the required fields with your email address and password. Select the checkbox to agree to the terms of service. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from MailerLite. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the MailerLite login page. Enter your email and password to log into your new account. Upon first login, you will be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in your name and business information as requested. Decide on your account type based on your needs, like personal or business use. Next, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Landing Pages section on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Landing Page button to start. Choose a template from the available options that suits your needs. Once you select a template, click Next to enter the editor. Customize your landing page elements such as text, images, and colors. Utilize the drag-and-drop interface for easy editing. Preview your changes to see how the page looks in real time. Once satisfied, click the Save button to secure your modifications. Next, set up your landing page settings, including SEO options and URLs. Connect your landing page to your email lists if applicable. Finally, click the Publish button to make your landing page live. Congratulations, you've successfully registered with MailerLite and created a landing page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.